In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom puzzle design using Canva. Whether you're planning a fun activity or crafting a personalized gift, this step-by-step guide will help you design your own puzzle in no time. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open Canva on your computer or device. If you haven't yet, make sure to log in or sign up for a free account. Once you've got Canva up and running, it's time to think about your desired design. This could be a personal photo, a fun graphic, or any other image that resonates with your vision. You can either upload your own image or browse Canva's extensive library for inspiration. Have your image saved and ready to go so we can move smoothly onto customizing your puzzle. With your design concept in mind, head over to the left-hand side of the Canva dashboard and click on the Elements tab. Here, you'll have access to a wide variety of images, shapes, and lines to incorporate into your puzzle design. Don't hesitate to take your time exploring the various options. When you find an image that captures your imagination, click on it to add it to your canvas. Now that your selected image is on your canvas, it's time to move on to the exciting part, turning it into a puzzle. To do this, return to the Elements tab. In the search bar at the top, type in the word puzzle, then press enter. You'll be presented with numerous puzzle graphics to choose from. These range in style and structure, so feel free to browse until you find the puzzle grid that suits your needs. Once you've chosen a puzzle graphic that aligns with your design, click it to add it to your canvas. If you haven't already done so, position the puzzle graphic over your image. It should overlay perfectly, giving the appearance that your image has now become a jigsaw puzzle. Now, take a moment to adjust the size of the puzzle to fit your image perfectly. You can do this by clicking the corners of the puzzle graphic and dragging it to scale it up or down as needed. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time for the final step. Simply head over to the top right corner of the Canva interface and click Download. Ensure you choose the suitable file format for your needs. Generally, PNG or PDF would work great. Hit Download, and just like that, your custom puzzle is ready. You can now print the design on sturdy paper and cut out the pieces for an enjoyable and personalized puzzle-solving experience. And there you have it, an engaging and customizable puzzle using Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. Happy designing, and don't forget to share your creative works.